Hello and welcome everyone. This is Spicy Chicken Spicy Boy with a spicy chicken review for you today. Now this is a little bit of a unique chicken review in that the product that I'm reviewing is not technically chicken. And I've had some pieces of chicken in the past that, their level of chickenness was questionable, but this is indeed supposed to not be chicken. These are from Pizza Luce. They are vegan chicken wings. That's what they're calling them. They're called Lucky Bird vegan wings. So, Pizza Luce is a local pizza place here in the Twin Cities, and I have reviewed their chicken wings before. So if you're interested in seeing what their bird-derived chicken wings are like, go ahead and check out those videos. But these wings are not derived from birds whatsoever. They are entirely plant-based. They are, in fact, vegan. So I don't know what they're like. I don't know what they're actually made of. It's possible they're made of like seitan, like mock duck and stuff like that is. Maybe it's soy. I'm not even really sure. I'm going to have to take a look. This is the first time I have ever had a vegan wing. So I am not even sure what to expect here. I'm going to have to just kind of flying in here blind. Now, okay. So I'm going to give you a little close-up view here. They are like vaguely wing shaped, if you can see them in there. But they're very chicken nugget like in their texture, color, etc. But they do kind of look like a little mini drumstick or something. So it looks like the sauce came on the side here. So I got buffalo and a little blue cheese. Maybe I'll try them with that. But we'll go with the buffalo first. That is the traditional hot wing flavor, of course. You're all familiar with buffalo sauce. I'm sure if you're watching these videos, you've had it before. So the scent, smells not chickeny, but it does smell like fried food. So they are a fried item. They've got a little bit of a crunchy texture on the outside, like a little bit of breading or something. But I'm going to have to bite it open. I'm going to try it without the sauce first because I'm very curious what it's like. And then I'll try it with the sauce and I'll tell you what I think. But here we go. Lucky Bird vegan wings from Pizza Luce. Well, on their own, there's not a lot of flavor. A little bit. Not particularly salty, not really seasoned too much. The texture is not too bad. Not really sure what they're made of still. I think it is a seitan product, which is like a wheat gluten derivative. But anyway, there is a little flavor. Very mild. The texture is pretty good. And the little breading they have on the outside is all right. But I'm going to try it with the buffalo sauce, and I'll see what it comes out like as a real hot wing. This is just the whole thing. They're kind of bite-sized little nugs. I'm gonna try one more with the buffalo and the blue cheese. Try to get the full flavor experience here. See how it comes out. Well, the meatless vegan wings are certainly improved by the buffalo sauce and the blue cheese. Not being particularly seasoned themselves and not containing any chicken meat or chicken skin, they don't have a tremendous amount of flavor on their own. So they are a nice vehicle for this sauce, and they do have a certain like savory, proteiny texture and flavor to them that is, it's not bad. I think they taste all right. Now, I don't think they're not imitation chicken in any believable sense. You hear a lot of hype in the media about fake meats these days. I am here to tell you these are not a meat replica. They are okay, and they do taste fine. So I could see if you were vegan and you wanted something that were like approaching a chicken nugget type of flavor and consistency, this is right there. This is better than some chicken nuggets made with ostensibly real chicken that I've had. So they've got that going for them. Not the worst chicken nuggets in the world, and they are meatless. So if you are interested in eating meatless, eating vegan, these are definitely an option for you. And it's nice to know going to a place like Pizza Luce, they have other vegetarian items on the menu that are pretty good that I've had, and they've extended that out into the chicken dimension of the menu. So overall, I'm not overwhelmed by the flavor and everything. They're okay. I wouldn't say that they're mind-blowingly good, but for a completely vegan option, I think they're really not half bad. And if I were vegan, I would definitely consider ordering these if I were at Pizza Luce. So, take that for what you will. But the buffalo sauce is good. The blue cheese sauce they have is nice. It's got good pieces of blue cheese in it. And so these are great dunked in these pretty good sauces. So I'd say as a chicken aficionado, you're not going to be wowed necessarily. But as a vegan trying to recreate that buffalo wing experience, this is going to get you maybe, as close as you're going to get for now until they start finding ways to really grow those chicken wings in test tubes in the lab. And that being said, hats off to Pizza Luce for doing their darndest to make a vegan wing. And I think that's all I've got on these, if I had to give it a numerical value, these are, 10 out of 10 for vegan wings that I've had because I've never had any before. And in terms of like an overall product quality, they're like a 5.5 or a 6. They're good. They're better than some and not as good as others. So just in terms of a food stuff, pretty good. Serviceable food. Thanks everyone for watching. Hit me with a like if you like the review here, and make sure to subscribe if you're interested in any more chicken videos that may be coming along. And also, if you have any suggestions, this is my first technically non-chicken thing, but if you have other vegetarian or vegan chicken options that you would like to have a review of, let me know down in the comments, and I will try to seek them out and give you all a video to review them on. But anyway, that's it for me, Spicy Chicken Spicy Boy, and I hope everyone is doing well in the new year and keeping it spicy. Thanks.